Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa has fulfilled its promise to not just assist the ABC Funhouse Early Learning Center, but truly invest in its students, teachers, and by extension the community of Auger Vieux. The resort's chairman, Gary Butch Hendrickson, has long been an advocate and champion for early childhood education. He successfully introduced CocoLand Cares, which has helped revolutionize early learning. Here in St. Lucia, through the CocoLand Cares initiative, Coconut Bay formally adopted the ABC Funhouse in March 2024 with a 4-year agreement to transform the center and its curriculum. Year 1, September 2024, students and staff welcomed completely renovated facilities in the 2-year-old learning areas. This new term saw the school settling into renovated classrooms for the 3 and 4-year-olds, complete with laminated floors, furniture, upgraded kitchen, new appliances, and bathrooms. Coconut Bay has thus far made a staggering $475,000 investment in ABC Funhouse. Elsa Joyer is the administrator.
I must say I am very, very pleased. I am very grateful for the work that have been done in this second phase. Because for the past more than 5 years, was racking my brains as to what I should do to make this place better, especially the roof. Every time it rains, we had water coming in, and I'm quite pleased with having a new roof, as well as the flooring and all the other materials provided. I'm very, very grateful for all that have been given to us.
Staff of Coconut Bay dedicated their time to renovating the school. Weeks were spent on constructing a new roof, repairing the entrance ramp, retiling patio floors, painting, landscaping, as well as installing basketball hoops and a fleet of 5 ride-on toys on the playground. Mia Chen is the Sales and Guest Relations Manager.
Our CocoLand Cares committee has been very heavily involved working with the ABC Funhouse team, and the children seem to be very excited about all of the improvements and the enhancements from the new playground, which the parents are having a hard time picking up the children from school now because they don't want to leave. So all of the educational aspects that we've added to make things a bit more hands-on, from the sand pit to the book corner and the dramatic play section where they can dress up. So it's just been, like we said, a labor of love, and we are very happy that we are able to offer this in our community as our corporate responsibility.
This school term, Coconut Bay funded a new curriculum along with learning materials to strengthen instruction and student engagement. New methodology and technology have been introduced, with teachers receiving laptops and a 55-inch smart screen TV with the latest interactive learning capabilities. Chanel Antoine is a teacher at ABC Funhouse.
Thank you to Mr. Hendrickson and his wonderful Coconut Bay team for taking us from where we were and where we are at now. I've seen wonderful improvements in terms of the playground, the tiling of the floors, the materials being provided, the open-ended activities, So we're grateful for the second phase thus far.
The teachers are also benefiting from professional development, including funding for staff certification and training in early childhood education. Gemma Edwin is the finance manager at Coconut Bay.
Next year it will be more, it will be focused more on investment in the teachers, because now that we've provided everything, we want to know that they can teach, that they can use the materials that we've provided to guide the children along the way that we would like to see them go.
The gratitude towards Coconut Bay extends beyond staff of ABC Funhouse. Parents are ecstatic about the upgrades and the positive impact on their young ones.
What it was before to what it is now, the evidence is actually showing very loudly. So that for a fact, I'm so pleased that I've enrolled my son at a very early age to ABC Funhouse. If it's not one of the best in the South, I think it is the best because I could see on basically the performance of my son's behavior. Every single thing I see around the school, especially the improvement, it is a clear sign that Coconut Bay is doing a fantastic job at adapting and sponsoring that school. So I'm very thankful. I'm very, very thankful. At least I have my son in a school that is well taken care of.
Coconut Bay's nearly $500,000 investment in the ABC Funhouse is indicative of the resort's determination to creating lasting impact in community development and lives. For the DBS News World, Lisa Joseph reporting.